You wanna go say hi to them? Are you a mama? This one's a mama.
You guys ready? Ready? Hike! Hike!
So much fun.
Well, tell us about it, Lou.
Okay, go.
This is awesome.
Hi guys. Ready?
Woo! Oh my god! Whoa!
50 miles on Monday, so this is nothing for them.
Guys, not bite. Not bite. Not bite. Good dog. Good dog.
Yeah, we're training for a marathon at the end of January.
Whoa! Oh my god.
So if you lived 100 years ago, and it's the middle of winter and you wanted to go into town to get more supplies,
Yeah?
this is how you do it.
Wow. Oh! Oh!
Ready? Ha! 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 Yes, 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 yes. Good dog. Good dog. So they had cars 100 years ago, but you had to hand crank them to start them. Well, that doesn't work very well in cold weather. And if you got a horse, well, that doesn't work very well in deep snow. Neither does a train. So you've seen the old pictures of the really, really deep snow they used to have.
Yeah?
These guys can go through it.
Cool.
And even 100 or even 90 years ago, you wanted to get into town and you lived out in the middle of nowhere, this is how you did it. If you ordered the mail, they didn't show up in an Amazon truck. It was somebody with a team of dogs would deliver it.
Wow. That's cool.
Now we just do it because it's a lot of fun. Hi guys. So where are you from?
We're right out of Nashville.
Tennessee?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we took the team, we harnessed up all the dogs, and we left now, so it's Thursday, we could probably be in Nashville either, I probably guess we could have breakfast on Tuesday. We could probably get there on that Tuesday.
Wow, that's cool.
So when you're in the car, you're driving along, you know, up on the freeway, and you're going kind of fast. You're covering 100 miles in about an hour and a half. Maybe a little more, maybe like an hour and 40 minutes. These dogs take about a day to cover 100 miles.
Wow, that's cool.
So it would take a bit longer. Siren, stop biting your son. Boy Delta.
Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Ah. This is awesome. This is awesome. Whoa, big drop.
And that's how it started. Oh, we should watch it. Hey, that's great.
You guys were talking about that while you were going? Yeah. Oh, cool. There's a lot of sled dogging movies.
Oh, yes.
Good dogs, good dogs. Jeep. Yeah, good dogs.
Everything was real. There was no cinematic like editing.
In what? In Pogo?
Yeah, everything's acting. It's actual real dogs and people.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's much more cool.
Jay-Z!
Whoa, good dogs. What do you think, bud? That's pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Was that cool?
At one point we jumped.